This question, can I ask what it's regarding? Ask this to learn why someone wants to speak to someone. So this is the right way of asking someone politely to get to know why this person is calling. What is the purpose of this person to call and speak with someone, speak with particular person. That time we ask question like this, can I ask what it's regarding? Well, here reception is questioning, can I ask what it's regarding? This person, I am here to see Ann Kim. I am here to fix her computer. So this person is a technician who fixes computer. He is a computer technician. He knows how to repair computer and servers. He has that knowledge of those things, computer, related to computer. He has the knowledge of computer regarding the performance and what problem that computer might have. So regarding that he knows. He has come here to fix Ann Kim computer, Ann Kim's computer. So she is asking why he has come here. For that he is saying that he has come here to fix Ann Kim's computer. Examples. A. I would like to see the manager. Can I ask what it's regarding? So someone wanted to see the manager, and B, and this person is questioning, can I ask? This person wanted to know why he is wanted to meet the manager. He is asking, can I ask what it's regarding? And he says, I bought a computer here and it's broken. He has brought his broken computer. So that needs to be fixed, that needs to be repaired. For that, he wanted to see the manager. He's brought broken computer. So he wanted his computer to be fixed, broken computer to be. This computer, broken computer, needs a repair. For that he has brought and wanted to see the manager. Speak to Mr. E. Can I ask what it's regarding? It's regarding his account at Union Bank. Someone wanted to speak with Mr. E and again, so who received his phone call? That person is asking what it's regarding. Can I ask what it's regarding? It's regarding his account at Union Bank. It's regarding his account at Union Bank. So this person who is asking about Mr. E, this person is calling from Union Bank and he wanted to speak with Mr. E regarding his account at Union Bank. So when someone calls, someone is the polite way of asking, can I ask what it's regarding? I hope you understand this, how to use, and we use this, we ask this question to get to know why that person who is calling, that caller, why is asking, for what purpose that person is calling to ask, speak with someone else, to get to know, to wanted to know why this person is calling. That time we use ask. Can I ask what it's regarding? We ask by saying like this, can I ask what it's regarding? I hope you understand. Thank you. Bye for now.